All right, I literally, the video stopped because we got a warning, a tornado warning, and it just stopped my video. So it's right over there. Look at that shit, dude. I got chills. Yeah, see? Those birds, yeah. Here I am walking closer and shit to it like a moron. It's pretty insane. Yeah, you can see out here a lot more how quick they are. Hold on, I can't do that. All right, what I was gonna do is I was gonna go on the other side of this tree line over here, which would, yo, that sounds like right there. Oh, there it is, there it is. There it is. Let's get up here. There it is. It's right over there. Look at how fast that shit's moving. A lot of lightning. Cracking thunder over there. But there it is, right there. Oh yeah, it's definitely cool. Woo! That just, I felt that lightning right there. That kind of did the whole, we're gonna get a loud crack here soon. That was a pretty good one. Like I said, the air pressure is crazy. I don't even know how to identify it or explain it. Yeah, I can't articulate it, like really. It's extremely heavy. It's this come. Yeah, because there's like lower clouds like that are just, those things are moving. Look how fast. That doesn't look good, does it? Ho, 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 ho. Right back there, you see that? But I'm telling you, you can see them almost circle. Like that one right there, the phone's not picking it up, but it's like circling, and it looks like they're all coming together. You know what I mean? Like the T1000 and shit. It's all coming together. Yeah. I unplugged important stuff. I don't know if that's like a myth, but I wasn't taking a chance. Ooh, the wind's starting to pick up. I don't know if you can see the trees. I can feel it. We're gonna start watching some of these. Look at that. The trees are starting to move. It's starting to get windy. You can, they're starting to rustle right now, to where I can hear them slapping together. How fast that's moving. And now it looks like that one's coming in from that area. Yeah, there's something going on right here. That just looks like a cloud of smoke coming in, but it's just like clouds moving in that fast. Look at that. They're all coming together. Look at how fast those things are moving. The birds are going crazy. These ones are moving like towards that one. This one came from the other side, and it's just coming together with that one. Oh, here comes the rain. Yo, look at how fast that shit's coming in. Here comes the rain. Here, okay. See, just like I said. Now watch the trees. Yo, it's like super heavy out here. Look how fast that's moving. It's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazy. Obviously I'm gonna go in because I'm not a moron. and I know enough to go in out of the rain, but I'm intrigued by this. It's I haven't seen anything like this. Look how fast that's still moving. But I've never seen something move that fast. This is definitely tornado warning. Yeah, look at. Look at this. Yo, I wish I was reading Timmer right now to tell you what's going on. But this right here is definitely a tornado. Oh my God, I got chills, guys. I got chills. Whoa. Look at, I got goosebumps. Look at. It's raised up. I got goosebumps. Yo. Look at how fast this is. Look at the trees starting to come in and move. Look at. Yeah. What time is it? 4:54, Sunday, 6:23. Here it comes, man. Yeah, here it comes. Look at. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. It's a goddamn tornado. It's a goddamn tornado. Yo, look at that one over there. Yo, I'm so scared right now. Look at this. Yo. And we watch this. Look at this. This is really happening. What do I do? Look at that. Yo, Reed Timmer, if you're seeing this, you are, how do you do it? Yo, here it comes. Look at how fast everything's moving. Look at this. Look at that. I'm not gonna say I think I'm safe where I'm at right now, but look.